Let's take a look at the money illusion.
Coined by the American economist Irving Fisher, money illusion refers to the tendency to consider the nominal value of a currency as its purchasing power. Let's say that you have a 3% increase in your wage, but prices in general rose 3% as well. Then the actual rise in your wage would be 0. People, however, tend to think that your wage has increased even when they know that there has been inflation at the same level. The money illusion, the failure of people to recognize the real value of money, has long been a subject of debate among economists. Then how can people use the nominal value of the money, not the actual value, as the basis on which they make judgments? The money illusion is a failure of our cognitive power, according to behavioral psychologists. Exposed to loss, our brain is busy taking in information on the spot, thus failing to make reasonable judgments. The section of the brain in charge of controlling our emotions is obsessed with the figure itself rather than what such figures actually mean. They tend to believe that their wealth has grown even though it was inflation that pushed up their wages.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.